Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Fagor pressure cooker on the market, the Fagor Rapid Express pressure cooker with a 4-liter capacity. If you're looking for a reliable, fast, and versatile cooker, this might just be the one for your kitchen. The Fagor Rapid Express is designed with efficiency and ease of use in mind. Its standout feature is the super-fast cooking capability, which not only saves you precious time but also helps retain more nutrients in your food. This is thanks to the innovative design that allows for quick pressure buildup and consistent heat distribution, making your meals ready in a fraction of the time compared to conventional cooking. Constructed from high-quality 18/10 stainless steel, this pressure cooker is built to last. The polished finish adds a sleek, modern look that fits nicely in any kitchen setup. The stainless steel is not just for aesthetics, it ensures durability and resistance to wear, maintaining its shine and functionality over time. One of the key components contributing to its performance is the IMPA-KSTEEL thermo diffuser bottom. This feature optimizes heat transmission and makes the cooker compatible with all types of cooktops including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. So whether you have an induction stove or a traditional burner, this pressure cooker will work seamlessly. With a 4-liter capacity, it's ideal for small to medium-sized families or anyone cooking about 4 servings at a time. The cooker also features an internal scale, making it easy to measure ingredients precisely without extra tools, and it's dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup after your cooking is done. The pressure control system includes 2 levels, fast at 60 kilopascals and super fast at 100 kilopascals. This dual-level pressure setting lets you customize cooking times and intensity depending on what you're preparing. From vegetables and legumes to meats, fish, and stews, the Fagor Rapid Express handles it all with ease. Safety is a top priority with this model. It's equipped with 5 safety systems, including a pressure sensor, automatic lid closing, a working valve, a safety valve, and a safety window. These features ensure your cooking experience is safe and worry-free, giving you peace of mind while preparing your meals. Energy efficiency is another advantage here. The design cuts cooking time by up to 70%, which translates into energy savings of around 50%. This not only helps reduce your utility bills but also makes this pressure cooker an environmentally friendly choice. In terms of dimensions, it measures approximately 4.7 inches deep by 6.3 inches wide and 4.7 inches high, and weighs just over 6 pounds, a compact size that won't take up too much space in your kitchen. The Fagor Rapid Express combines practicality, safety, and speed in a durable stainless steel package that's compatible with all cooktops, including induction. If you want a pressure cooker that's easy to use, safe, and energy efficient, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this overview and want more honest product insights, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.